Good morning. Today our lesson is about properties of quadrilaterals. In the previous video, we already talked about properties of parallelogram, of the square, of the rectangle. Today we're gonna talk about rhombus, about kite, about arrowhead, and about trapezium. Rhombus. A rhombus is a parallelogram with four equal sides. Equal means congruent. AB is congruent to BC, is congruent to CD, is congruent to DA. Opposite sides are parallel, like the parallelogram. Line AD is parallel to line BC, and line CD is parallel to line BA. Opposite angles are also congruent. Angle A is equal to angle C, angle B is equal to angle D. Angles can be named either by the name of the vertex or by using three letters. Example, angle A can be named as angle A, or angle BAD, or angle DAB. So the name of the vertex is always in the middle. Diagonals in the rhombus bisect each other at right angle. So diagonal BD is perpendicular to diagonal AC, and they are bisecting each other means cut each other in the middle. Also, the diagonals bisect the angles. So angle A, which is the bigger angle, can be cut into two equal angles. And angle C also cut it into two equal angles, and angle D the same thing, angle B the same thing. Notice that if you see here in the angle A, we have two dashes. This means that the two angles are equal, and the opposite angles in the angle C are also equal. The same it's happened with angle B and angle D. In the rhombus also, adjacent angles are supplementary. For example, angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. Angle B plus angle C add up to 180 degrees. Angle C plus angle D add up to 180 degrees. And angle D plus angle A add up to 180 degrees. It has two lines of symmetry. Lines of symmetry means it cuts the shape into two congruent shapes, smaller shapes. So this is the first line of symmetry, and this is the second line. The second shape which we will talk about, it's the kite. The kite is a quadrilateral with two pairs of adjacent equal sides. This means that CB is equal to CD and AB is equal to AD. Notice that we didn't put at one dash for all the sides in order to show which sides are congruent and which are not. So side AB is not equal to side BC. Side BC and side CD are congruent, side AB and side AD are congruent. Diagonals are perpendicular. Again, perpendicular means intersecting at a right angle. Two angles are equal. In this kite, we have two angles are equal, which are angle B and angle D. And we have in the kite one line of symmetry, which is cutting my kite into two congruent shapes. Arrowhead is a quadrilateral with two pairs of adjacent equal sides. Side AD and side AB are congruent, side CD and side CB are also congruent. This shape has one reflex angle, which is angle C. If you see inside the shape, angle C is greater than 180 degrees, so we name it as reflex angle. The diagonals in this shape are perpendicular but outside the shape. Angle D and angle B are congruent, means they are equal, and it has one line of symmetry. Trapezium or trapezoid. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with two parallel sides, or we can say one pair of parallel sides. Side BC and side AD are parallel. The two angles at the end of each non-parallel side add up to 180 degrees. So we can call them supplementary angles. Angle A and angle B add up to 180 degrees, and angle C and angle D together add up to 180 degrees. And we can say that angle A and angle B together, they are supplementary angles. Angle C and angle D are supplementary. As a summary, what is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a shape with four straight sides. We talked in this video and the previous one about all the quadrilaterals, which are square, rectangle, trapezium, kite, rhombus, parallelogram, arrowhead, and irregular quadrilaterals, which are also quadrilaterals because they have four straight sides. A square has four equal sides, two pairs of parallel sides, and all angles are 90 degrees, while a rectangle has two pairs of equal sides, opposite sides are parallel and equal, and all angles are equal to 90 degrees. Trapezium, it has one pair of parallel sides. Kite, two pairs of equal sides which are adjacent sides, and no parallel sides. Rhombus, for equal sides, opposite sides are parallel and equal, and in parallelogram we have two pairs of equal sides, opposite sides also are equal and parallel, and we have opposite angles as the rhombus are equal. In arrowhead we have one reflex angle, and we have two angles are equal, and adjacent side also are equal, and in regular none of the other ones. Thank you very much for the watching. Please go to the assignment and start solving.